The most common question I get is, Dave, how much does it take to buy a house? And it really depends on the type of loan that you get. It can be anywhere from 0% down all the way to 25% down, depending on if it's a primary residence or an investment property or what type of loan, FHA, VA, USDA. But one thing to consider is if you're a first-time home buyer and you have good credit, you can get away with just 3% down as far as down payment goes. And then closing costs are anywhere between 2 to 3% on average. So, for instance, if you're buying a house for $400,000, your closing cost will be about $10,000. That's about 2.5%. It's just an average, but it's a good place to start. And then you would add 3% to that. So 400 times 3% will be $12,000. So between your closing cost and your down payment, that would be about $22,000 on a $400,000 house. Now there are a lot of down payment assistance programs to help you come up with that $22,000. So just because you don't have that 3% plus 2 to 3% for closing costs, it's not a reason to not look into whether or not you can buy. Also, as the market is shifting from a seller's market to a more neutral market, we're starting to see more things come back like seller credits, seller buy downs, different things like that. So please don't hesitate. Reach out to me today. Let's see if we can get you into a home.